A lemon in my armpit and look what happened. You need to know this trick. Te mostraré lo que sucede cuando te atreves a frotar un limón en tu axila. Few people know what this strange trick is for, but I assure you that when you know it, you will thank me if you start doing it today. But before I show you what it is for to rub a lemon in the armpit, I will tell you some other uses that you can give the lemon, and that will be very helpful. Number 1. Make a homemade exfoliant. Shaving often affects the skin, causing some beauty to be buried and the skin to become rough. In a container, squeeze the juice of a lemon. Then add a tablespoon of sugar and also a tablespoon of olive or coconut oil. Then apply in the desired area, giving light massages for 10 minutes. Rinse and you will see how hydrated and soft your skin will be. Number 2. Remove the bad smell from your hands. When chopping onion and garlic when cooking, there is usually an unpleasant smell in the hands. The lemon will remove this easily. Just rub your hands with a little lemon juice for a minute and then rinse with water. I would like to know from which country you are watching me to send you a greeting in a next video. Today's greeting is for Sandra Castro from Argentina and for Ana Jimenez from Chile. Number 3. Make a scented repellent. Lemon is also used to aromatize bedrooms and to scare away insects. Take half a lemon and put about 10 cloves of smell. Then add a little bit of fabric softener. This will give your home a rich smell and in turn keep it free of insects and pests. Number 4. Improving digestion. Drinking a glass of water with lemon during fasts brings you unwavering benefits, improves digestion and absorbs fat. Put the juice of half a lemon in a glass of warm water and have it for breakfast every morning. Now that you know the different uses of lemon, it's time to tell you how to rub it on your armpits. The lemon can help you take care of the skin of your armpits, since its properties work as a natural deodorant and at the same time clear the spots that usually form in this area of the body. Thanks to its citric, magnesium, and potassium, it acts as an antibacterial in the area applied. To lighten the armpits, it is recommended to place a tablespoon of brown sugar on half of a lemon and rub on the area until the juice comes out. Let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes and repeat this 3 times a week until you get the desired result.
Deseado.